In this video, I will show you one of the easiest ways that you can use to earn $1,000 a day. In fact, you can make money online without showing your face and voice. So, watch the video carefully until the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The channel I am going to show you today is called Panda Shorts. It's an amazing channel and these guys are serious about YouTube Shorts, and you can do exactly the same without having to make any of these videos. I mean, look, if we go to their most popular video, there's 200 million views and 181 million views. They have tens of millions of views and they use almost. The reaction, that's when you look at many of these reactions, they just reuse the same reactions. They make a video of it once, the video is used by others and they make money with it. YouTube ad revenue and many other things you can double after that. And if you decide to make a line format videos, you can make more money and even more ad revenue. So if I click on any of these, I click on the videos and you can see that all they are doing is their reactions, sitting there together and not doing much. And this video is playing in the background to show you how you can to do this. Don't use your reaction, and if you don't want to use your reaction, there's a way you can do it. You'll see this video ends and that's it, and you see they haven't done much. The thing is they create these videos and you can see here they have 7 million subscribers and they make $2 million when you look at this channel. As you can see, it has 20,000 subscribers daily. I will show you how to do it. There are other people who to do this. There is another channel here called Sniper Wolf, but he makes line format videos. As you can see, they react to TikTok video, short YouTube videos and Instagram videos. In fact, they do voiceover and it's a little different from the previous channel because the previous man doesn't even say anything and just sit there. When you look at this channel, you can see that he has 189 million views per month. You can earn more than $600,000 to $1 million per month, and he has more than 3,000 subscribed every day. This is deposit the fact that he does not have any short videos on this channel. There's someone else here that you all know, Mr. Beast, who also does these reaction style channels and puts them on his short YouTube. They react to different videos, which means they don't create this video. By placing each of the content, they just react to these videos in a different style. So how do you go about making these types of videos? Well, show you where to source content and how you can do it without using your own reactions. So if you want to know how to do this, make sure you keep watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the nail on the head in appreciation. The first thing we need to do is find content. We have to use a platform to produce our content, which is TikTok. There are different types of funny videos, type funny video. If you wanted to do something with animals, for example, if you just wanted to do comedy reactions, they use on all videos. So basically, all you have to do is search for funny video. When you find a video, you click and you can find out what this video is about. We have to download this video and then create a reaction with a tool. Just copy the URL called it's snap TikTok download, or you can use stick.io. It's totally up to you which one of you use. One of these allows you to remove the watermark, and the stick watermark I'm talking about here is the watermark. As you know, if you made a video that you took, it's already uploaded, so someone already took it and downloaded it, you can remove that watermark because it's embedded in the sense. But if it was the original video that someone put up, then yes, you can remove the watermark. Next, go to Canva. It's completely free. What you need to do is select the mobile video. You can add with music, it's up to you, but what we need to do is we need to add the reaction to this video. If you want to add your reaction to this, all you have to do is just take your mobile phone and you can film your reaction to this video and then upload your reaction on top of the video. But the second way you can actually do this is, if you see over here on the left you have elements, and when you go to elements you can search for different type of responsive style videos. So all we're going to do is to type something like laughing reaction, for example, and press enter, and under the videos you can scroll down and will be able to find a whole range of different types of videos. And all we have to do is scroll down a little bit. All you need to do is download this video. Now let's upload this short YouTube video to YouTube. You go to your YouTube channel and upload it. My suggestion is to start a channel for your short videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.